Today we're diving into a timeless aesthetic, the vintage film look. Start by reducing digital sharpness slightly to remove the clinical feel modern cameras have. Add a small amount of grain with a monochromatic setting. Film grain should feel organic, not harsh. Slightly shift the reds and greens in the shadows using color balance to mimic film chemistry. Then lower overall saturation and lift the blacks. Bring back selective colors like reds and yellows to create nostalgic charm. Finish with a soft fade on highlights. The result is a gentle, warm, retro atmosphere. Let's recreate classic film vibes.